How to turn on your timer on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily turn on or turn off timer on Snapchat. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Alright, let's begin. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Snapchat, and it will directly take you to your camera option. Now, in order to access your timer, on the right side of your screen you'll have different options to flip your camera, to turn on the flash, and to turn on the filters. Now, if you tap on this drop down, you'll have different more options like tone, grid, and timer. Just tap on timer and it will allow you to set a timer for a specific time. So here is a video timer. You can change the length of your recording as per your wish. The maximum is 2 minutes. So just say if you want to record a video for 30 seconds, you're just going to set your timer for 30 seconds and then set timer. Now your video will be only recorded up to 30 seconds. Now if you want to turn it off, just tap on it and it will automatically be turned off. So that's pretty simple. This is how you turn on and turn off timer on Snapchat. I'll see you guys on the next one.